Hello everybody, welcome back to my new episode. And in this episode, I'll be sharing and talking about what I have learned in my Math 1121 pace, in my Math Algebra 2. So in my previous videos, I have shared, it's my part 1 of sharing what I've learned in my Math 1121 pace. This is part 2. So I have shared about the axioms of equality, the reflexive axiom of equality, the symmetric axiom of equality, the transitive axiom of equality, the addition axiom of equality, and the multiplication axiom of equality. And now I'm going to move on and share about the axioms of addition. Yes, the axioms about additions. First axiom would be closure axiom for addition. Closure axiom for addition. So the explanation goes like this. If a and b are real numbers, then a plus b is equal to a unique real number. So if a and b are real numbers, then a plus b should be whatever number that would be, which is a real number. A plus b, they're both real numbers and they're added, so their sum should also be real numbers and whatever unique set it would be. The next term, I'll move on, it's the identity axiom for addition. So it goes like this. For any real number, let's call the real number a plus 0 is a, or 0 plus a is a. Pretty simple, huh? A, let's say it's 10. 10 plus 0, what is it? 10 plus 0, it's 10. 0 plus 10 is 10. So it goes like this. A plus, if a is a real number, a plus 0 equals to a. And 0 plus a equals to a. Okay, move on. I think that's easy, so I'm pretty sure you understand. The additive inverse for addition. So the explanation is this. Every real number, let's say it's a, has an additive inverse minus a, such that, okay, first I think I should be explaining about what an additive inverse is. So if there's an a, then the additive inverse for a should be when there is summed up, there should be 0. So a, additive inverse of a is minus a. A plus minus a is 0. 10, additive inverse of 10 is minus 10. 0. The additive inverse of minus 10 is 10. Additive inverse of 1 over 2 is negative 1 over 2, and it goes like this. And so the additive inverse goes like this. For every real number a, let's say a real number a, has an additive inverse which is negative a. I've explained you what additive inverse is. A equals to additive inverse of a is minus a, such that a plus its additive inverse is 0. A plus minus a is 0. And a minus a, additive inverse plus a is 0. So let's say additive inverse of 5 is minus 5, because 5 plus brackets minus 5 is 0. And if additive inverse of negative 3 is positive 3, then negative 3 plus 3 is 0. And if we move on to the next term, which is the commutative axiom for addition. The explanation goes like this. If a and b are real numbers, then a plus b equals to b plus a. Easy. If a and b are real numbers, a plus b is equal to b plus a. This is quite similar to the reflexive axiom of equality, but this means that the order in which two numbers are added does not affect the sum. A plus b. A plus b plus b plus a is same. A plus b plus a plus b is also same. So the order means is of where the numbers are put or not does not affect the sum. Lastly is the associative axiom for addition. So the explanation is this. If a and b and c are real numbers, then brackets a plus b, brackets closed, plus c is equal to a plus brackets b plus c. Yes, and that's it for sharing the terms that I have learned in my Math 1121 pace. Thank you. Thank you for listening. And let's see you in my next video. Thank you.